unbox the automatic blood pressure monitor by Omron. As you can see that the packaging is quite small and compact, and in front we have the image of the monitor display. It says that it comes with a 3 years warranty, and on left side we have some of the key features mentioned. Some of them are cuff wrapping guide. It also can detect your irregular heartbeat. It also has Intellisense Technology and can also record your past readings. Now with Intellisense Technology, it means that it automatically applies the right amount of pressure for fast, accurate and more comfortable measurements. Moving on, some of the key features that I mentioned before have been described here in detail. The cuff wrapping guide, this feature ensures an accurate and reliable blood pressure measurement, and while the hypertension indicator is for helping you out to understand that if your systolic or diastolic pressure is outside the standard range, then the heartbeat symbol will blink. So now let's quickly open up the box and see what's inside. So the first thing that I have in my hand is the arm cuff along with 4 AA batteries. This is the main machine, and as you can see that it comes in a nice bubble wrap. And we have 2 more cards here. The first is the warranty card, and it also says that you can install Omron Connect app and track your health regularly for a healthy lifestyle. And the second one is a detailed user instruction guide, and as you can see that it will help you understand how to use this product easily and clearly. So now let's quickly see what's in here. This is the arm cuff, and these are the 4 AA batteries that have to be inserted inside this monitor while we use it. So as we can see that this arm cuff comes in a silver grey color and has an air pipe attached to it. And now looking at the monitor, comes in a nice bubble wrap and then again is secured in a poly bag. This is a very lightweight and handy machine. As you can see, it fits in both my hands. Now this machine has a really nice and clean big display in which you can easily see your readings as well as your pulse rate, and in front you have the start and stop button. On the side we have the air jack in which the air pipe has to get inserted while we use it, like this. Now on the back side we have the place where all the 4 AA batteries will be inserted, and once this is done, you can just switch it on and use it. Also on top we have one AC adapter jack which is available if you do not want to use the batteries. Omron does not provide any AC adapter, so you have to buy it separately from Omron. So this is the final product and that's how it looks. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked the unboxing of Omron automatic blood pressure monitor. For more such videos, stay tuned.